Hello folks, Bill here, out for a little adventure myself, and it's a place I've never been. It's a set of trails. I just passed a group of hikers that say it's a little flooded. We had a lot of rain yesterday, so we'll see how far we get. But there's a geocache trail in here, so hopefully it'll get me up to close to the dragon. That's next. Alright, first one at the head of the trail. Get a sign, put it back, and get started. So just as I got here, there was a group of 7 or 8 hikers that were coming out of here. This trail, they said it's pretty messed up. We've had a lot of rain. So yesterday, started about lunchtime, didn't finish till probably about 2 o'clock this morning. So things are pretty wet, but we'll see what we can do. You know, I got my boots on. I'm wearing shorts, but hiking pants probably would have been better suited, but we'll find out. Here we go. Yes, that's water across the trail. That's what they were talking about. Let's see how bad it is, how good my boots are. It does warn on the cache page, it's slippery when wet. Going for it. You hear frogs? So I have to say, the last geocacher said that they couldn't find it. Somewhere along this fence. I've looked a little bit, I haven't found it yet. You can see they've been all through here too. Oh, okay. What is that, my friends? That is a geocache. I'm being attacked by a picker bush. Let me get that off there and sign it. On to the next. Here's some beautiful B-roll footage. I'd like to find some Tupperware in the woods. This one's got some swag in it. Let's check it out. It's dry. Let's see what we got. Oh, look. I win. Baseball. Pretty cool. Hey, Bernie. Look. Magnet, but this here, I'm gonna trade off for this. Add to my collection. It's got the geocacher's name on the back. And check it out. Got a bracelet. I think this is probably supposed to be a log container. Or some kind of pill container. So, there's a bunch of bees and stuff. And there's the log. I think that's probably where the log's supposed to be. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Got this when we were on vacation, playing games, getting playing video games, getting tickets and stuff. Yeah, this thing is really dry for not being closed. There's a race in there too. Alright, send along, on to the next. Hey folks, Bill here. I am soaking wet. It started to rain. I knew rain was in the forecast. I really wasn't looking. Something crawling up my leg. Feels like it. Probably a tick. I already got a couple off of me already. I knew it was going to rain, but I just didn't really pay attention to when, and I got a later start than I wanted to, so I was just trying to get out there and get as many caches as I could. Got 3. So, hey, that's 3 more than I thought I started out with. So, hey, thumbs up for that. Speaking of thumbs up, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up down there. And if it's your first time checking out my channel, or you haven't subscribed yet, and you're coming back, you might as well subscribe right down there. Hit that push bell notification so you get all the uploads. And don't forget to check out, I'll also put a link up here so you can subscribe. And one of my more recent other recent videos. And don't forget to check out the GCNW network as well. For other geo-vloggers. Take care, everybody.